So this is a short update on how to fix the monitor on a Peugeot 208. So if you're like me having some trouble with the monitor, I'm turning on the car, and right now the monitor should turn on, but nothing happens. This has been a problem for me for about 4 years. Peugeot told me that they needed to change the hi-fi and maybe the monitor as well. But the other day I was told that there's a quick fix for this monitor, and the quick fix is in the battery. Actually, we open up and we go here. One second. You look at the plus on the battery, take it off. Put it on again. Reset the battery, the power in the car. And now we should have a monitor working. So that's a quick fix for the Peugeot 208. Leave a like.